West. Wake up, people of the East. The beast has spoken. Ngozi sikeleli Africa. Ngozi sikeleli Swellendam. God bless Africa. God bless Swellendam. God seën Africa. God seën Swellendam. We are the community of today. Indeed, we are the leaders of tomorrow. I have a dream for Swellendam. I have a dream for youth empowerment. I want us to be united as one. No matter your mother tongue, no matter what language you speak, no matter what culture you are, no matter what gender you are, we should be united as one. To achieve my dream, the change has to start with me. Swellendam, Wukani, skrik wakker Swellendam. Wake up, Swellendam. We should follow in our footsteps of our late father of the nation, Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela, the freedom fighter, politician, symbol of democracy, icon, comrade, role model, father, husband, grandfather, and more. The father of the Rainbow Nation, the one who fought against discrimination to make us one nation. Vukani Swellendam! If we want this world to be united as one, the change has to start with us. We should start changing the way we speak. We should start changing the way we speak. Ndijonga phezulu, ndivala amehlo, ndithi Nkosi, Nkosi sikeleli Afrika, Nkosi, Nkosi sikeleli Swellendam. Ek maak my oor toe en kyk na bo, na my Vader en sê God seën Afrika, God seën Swellendam. I close my eyes and look above to my Creator and say, God bless Africa, God bless Swellendam. Vukani Swellendam!